Hello, I'm Jamila Musayeva, an international social etiquette consultant and author of etiquette books. Right now, here I am with Tiziano. He's from Italy, he's a ski instructor, and he's going to show you the 5 important things you need to know in order to get on your skis. And I'm going to be his model. The first and the most important thing that Tiziano says that one must do is wear a helmet. You never ski without a helmet. Tiziano is now going to show on me how to put a helmet and how to check that's the correct size for you.
Okay, well, the rule 0 is to wear properly an helmet. There is no reason to do not wear an helmet. So we put it properly, it has to be comfortable, and then we close it here at the bottom, like this. And now it's important to turn here to fit it properly on the head. The important thing is that it doesn't move on the head, but it has to be also comfortable.
So once you have put your helmet and secured it on your head, the next thing to know is how to hold your sticks or your poles.
The first thing that you have to do is to put the sticks in this way, and after that you open your hand and you put the lacets inside your hand. In this way you will not lose your stick when you will go skiing on the slopes.
Now that we have securely put our helmet and holding our ski poles, we can now put our skis. And how we're going to do it, Tiziano is going to show us.
Okay, Jamila, the first thing that we do is that we go with our feet down to our skis, and after that we take the balance with the sticks in this way. Now we cross the feet and we put the downest foot on the ski. Perfect. After that we put the other one and then we click on it.
So we have shown you how to put your skis on, and now let's look how to get them off.
Well done, Jamila. Now we are going to see how to remove the skis. So first of all we remove the upper one and then the lower one, so we have the full control of the down ski. Okay, so we put the sticks on the back of our binding and we push down the ski. The boot goes on. Very good. One time that now we are stable like this, we can do the same thing with the other one. Now the skis are off.
Now that we're taking off our skis, Tiziano is going to show us how to carry our skis in the most safe and secure way. There are 2 ways.
Okay, we're going to take our skis from the binding. Yeah. So now you are going to put your skis together and you let the upper ski sliding down on the ski stopper. So now you can see that there is the upper ski stopper and the lower one. You are going to take the binding of the lower one. For example, this way it's very good when you are on the lift and you can transport the skis. The second way of transporting the skis, Jamila, is when, for example, we have to walk along. Okay? So we put our skis on the shoulder. Now what we do is with your left hand, you put it up in the top of your ski. And with the second hand, you put it here, exactly in this way, in the front of the bind. In this moment, you take your skis and you put them in this way on your shoulder. Perfect. And with the right hand, you put it really in the front. In this way, only with the weight of your hand, you will balance your skis. In this moment, you can take your poles and you can walk.
Thank you so much for watching this video there, and we hope that you truly liked it, because Tiziano and I tried really hard to show you the very basics. If you want to know more about outdoors as well as the basics and the internet and background all about skiing, follow Tiziano on Instagram as well as on YouTube. If you like this video, make sure to give the thumbs up and do leave your comment down below what are some things that you truly love learning about, and we'll see you in the next video. And for now, we're going to go and take a coffee break. Bye!
Goodbye!